Hello and welcome. This time we have a small like a Duplo with the policeman on a police motorbike and what seems to be a small police station. You can see it's for the kids over 2 years old. It's good for the social and emotional skills and imagination and creativity. That's a thumb up. Still sealed, unopened. What do we have inside? So inside we have a policeman, a motorcycle, a traffic sign, and what seems to be blocks to build the police station or part of the police station, and a picture of scale of the policeman. Oh, yeah, wait a second. So let's open this. Okay, but we have to open it. Jelle, wait a second. We need to open the seal. Here, watch your fingers. So we know it's original. Try, open it. Can you open it? Good. Ooh. But we need to open the plastic bag. Okay. Wait a second. No, that's definitely not for play. Let's keep the sharp object away from the kids. Safety first. What else do you have there? Okay, can you give it to me? Let's open this. Yep, give it to me. The only thing that I have a slight concern is why so much plastic. Okay, Jelle, there you go. And the last one, the motorcycle itself. Take it. Okay, I'll take the plastic back. Let's see. Okay, I'll let you play. Just quickly, as with every Lego and Duplo respectively, we have a manual. How do you make it? Look at the picture, Jelle. See the box? Where is the box? Can you see that? Do you like it, Jelle? What do you think? Is it cool? Yes, it is. Ooh, why not? Hey, it can be. Can you put the police station together? So put it on a window. Yeah. Great. What about the window? Yeah. Wow. What about the policeman? Can you put him on a motorcycle? Maybe the policeman should stand up. Maybe he shouldn't sit. That's right. Oh, what do you think? Can he sit on a motorcycle? Okay, so that is a unboxing of Lego Duplo policeman on a motorcycle with the police station, and as you can see, quality time guaranteed. Stay tuned for more videos like this, but for now, thanks for watching. Say bye bye. Jelle, bye bye.